cannot tell you how grateful we are as a United Nations country team in Rwanda to our government for the truly exceptional mobilization of capacities and resources of the government of Rwanda to support these UN staff come through. Because of the nature of the fighting, many of them don't have identity documents. They couldn't come with their national passports to identify themselves. Most of them just had their UN ID cards. Which hotel will you go to that will give you accommodation if you don't have money to pay? But the government made sure through RCB that they were placed in hotels, and more than 30 hotels in Kigali received and housed them, so they are here. And now we are working with our colleagues, the UN on the DRC side, to evacuate them from where they will take them back to their own country, to Kinshasa, so they can continue their work as a UN system. I think what is important for us as a UN in Rwanda is the willingness, the exceptional commitment, the presence of key institutions in government to make this happen in the spirit of a humanitarian support, to allow the UN system to continue to function, whatever the crisis context, and so that the UN is able to provide support to the displaced people and then to the refugees, wherever they may be in the context of this unfortunate conflict.